All right, everyone, buckle up because the tech world is moving at warp speed, and you need to be in the know. We're diving headfirst into the most electrifying updates that are shaping our digital future, and trust us, you do not want to miss this. The pace of innovation is relentless, and here at ChatGPT Insights, we're your front row seat to all the action. Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of the breakthroughs and shakeups that are defining tomorrow, today. We've got exclusive deep dives, game-changing announcements, and the inside scoop on who's making waves. So, lean in, stay sharp, and let's get this intel directly to you. First up, a major player is shaking up the browser wars with a powerful AI twist that could redefine your online experience. Then, we're exploring how AI is not just changing search, but fundamentally altering how we interact with information itself, promising a more seamless, intuitive digital life. We'll also uncover the strategic moves being made by tech giants as they navigate the complex landscape of AI integration, with a particular focus on how innovation is being driven by key partnerships and platform decisions. And finally, get ready for a look at how a major company is pivoting its advertising strategy, a move that could signal broader industry shifts and create new opportunities. This is the news you need, delivered with the energy you crave. Don't just keep up, get ahead. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's go. AI enters the browser arena, Perplexity's Comet launch. AI is revolutionizing how we access information, and Perplexity is at the forefront with its new AI-powered browser, Comet. This innovative tool aims to cut through the noise of traditional web browsing, offering AI-generated responses and a streamlined interaction with its assistant. Instead of navigating multiple tabs and links, users can simply ask questions, and Comet handles the browsing and organizational tasks, transforming research into a conversational experience. Perplexity states that Comet powers a shift from browsing to thinking, allowing users to think out loud, and Comet executes complete workflows while keeping perfect context. This approach aims to make analysis natural and eliminate tedious tasks, effectively turning the internet into an extension of the user's mind. Built on the open-source Chromium project, which also powers Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, Comet integrates AI models from both OpenAI and Anthropic. Users can expect to retain their familiar extensions, settings, and bookmarks. This move by Perplexity comes as other major tech players, like OpenAI, are also rumored to be entering the browser market with their own AI-enhanced offerings. Perplexity has been actively expanding its product features, including shopping and voice chat, and there are reports that Apple might consider acquiring the company to integrate its technology into Apple's native search tools. Samsung is also reportedly planning to preload the Perplexity app on future Galaxy S26 series devices. Initially, Comet will be available to Perplexity Max subscribers, with a broader, invite-only rollout to follow. A free version is planned for the future, and interested users can join a waitlist. This launch signals a significant push by Perplexity to challenge established search engines and redefine the online information discovery process. This groundbreaking browser launch is just the beginning of how AI is reshaping our digital interactions. Stay tuned as we dive into another major development in the AI search space. Perplexity's AI browser, a new era of search or a risky bet. Perplexity's recent launch of its AI-powered web browser, Comet, marks a significant step in the company's ambition to revolutionize online information access. The browser is designed to move beyond traditional search by offering AI-generated answers and a more integrated, conversational user experience. Comet aims to reduce the clutter of tabs and links, presenting information through an AI assistant that can manage browsing and organizational tasks. The company's press release highlights a paradigm shift. With Comet, you don't search for information, you think out loud, and Comet executes complete workflows while keeping perfect context. This vision positions research as a dialogue and analysis as a natural process, simplifying complex tasks and making the internet more intuitive. Built on the Chromium open source project, the same foundation as Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, Comet integrates advanced AI models from OpenAI and Anthropic. Perplexity assures users that their existing extensions, settings, and bookmarks will remain accessible, ensuring a familiar yet enhanced browsing experience. This strategic move by Perplexity occurs amidst a broader trend of AI companies vying for dominance in the search market. OpenAI is reportedly preparing to launch its own web browser, further intensifying competition with giants like Google. Perplexity has already diversified its offerings with shopping and voice chat features, and industry speculation suggests potential acquisition by Apple to enhance its native search capabilities. Samsung is also expected to feature the Perplexity app on its upcoming Galaxy S26 devices. Access to Comet will initially be limited to Perplexity Max subscribers, with a wider, invitation-only release planned. A free version is anticipated later, and a waitlist is now open. The launch of Comet, however, comes at a critical juncture for Perplexity, with recent reports indicating potential challenges, including the departure of its head of advertising and shopping, Taz Patel, after less than a year. This comes after criticisms regarding unauthorized scraping of publisher sites and a lack of engagement with industry bodies on AI content licensing. Perplexity's approach to monetizing Comet through a subscription service, rather than traditional ad revenue for its partner program, could be a response to these publisher relations issues. The viability of this subscription model and its ability to navigate the complex publisher landscape will be crucial for Comet's success and Perplexity's overall business strategy. While Perplexity is making bold moves in the browser space, other tech titans are strategically positioning themselves in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. Let's see how Apple is navigating this crucial junction. Apple's AI strategy: Mistral, Perplexity, and the future of Siri. Apple finds itself at a critical juncture in its artificial intelligence development, with significant decisions to be made regarding its AI strategy moving forward. The company is reportedly considering integrating AI models from Mistral AI, a prominent European AI startup, alongside Perplexity AI, known for its AI-powered search capabilities. This exploration signals Apple's intent to bolster its AI offerings, potentially enhancing features like Siri and its overall operating system experience. The inclusion of Mistral AI's technology could provide Apple with access to cutting-edge large language models that are competitive with those offered by industry leaders. Mistral AI has gained recognition for its efficient and powerful AI models, and a partnership could equip Apple with advanced conversational AI capabilities. Simultaneously, Perplexity's AI search engine and its newly launched Comet browser present a different, yet equally compelling, avenue for Apple. Integrating Perplexity's focused, AI-driven search could offer a more streamlined and intelligent way for users to find information within the Apple ecosystem, potentially challenging Google's long-standing dominance in search. The decision between or combination of these AI partners will be pivotal for Apple as it aims to catch up in the AI race, particularly in the realm of generative AI and advanced conversational agents. Industry analysts are closely watching Apple's moves, anticipating how these potential integrations will impact the user experience across iPhones, iPads, and Macs. The success of these AI advancements could be crucial for Apple to regain its perceived innovation edge and ensure its core products remain competitive in a market increasingly defined by AI capabilities. The company's strategic choices in the coming months will likely dictate the future trajectory of Siri and Apple's broader AI ecosystem, aiming to deliver more helpful, personalized, and intelligent experiences to its vast user base. As major tech players like Apple and Perplexity navigate the AI landscape, the advertising technology sector is also undergoing significant transformations. We're turning our attention to Google's ad tech strategies and Perplexity's advertising ventures. Google Ad Manager pivots amid antitrust scrutiny. Perplexity faces ad lead exit. In the fast-evolving ad tech industry, Google is making strategic adjustments to its Google Ad Manager, GAM, platform, reportedly encouraging ad agencies to buy directly through GAM. This move aims to make GAM more self-sufficient and could potentially bypass Google's own demand-side platform, DV360. The company is also offering discounts for using its buy-side tools, a strategy already employed by competitors. These changes come as Google faces a crucial phase in its ad tech antitrust trial, where a ruling found the company operating a sell-side monopoly. A potential outcome of the trial could be the full spin-off of Google's sell-side ad tech, making these operational shifts a proactive preparation for such a scenario. Meanwhile, Perplexity, the AI-powered search company, is experiencing a shakeup in its advertising division with the departure of its head of advertising and shopping, Taz Patel. Patel's exit, after less than a year in the role, raises questions about the company's nascent ad business and its viability amidst ongoing challenges. Perplexity has faced criticism from publishers for unauthorized data scraping and for not actively engaging with industry initiatives for AI content licensing. In response to these publisher concerns, Perplexity launched a partner program for its Comet web browser, which aims to compensate publishers through a share of a new subscription service, rather than ad revenue. This indicates a strategic pivot in how Perplexity plans to monetize and build its advertising and publisher relationships, moving away from traditional ad models. Separately, the ad market is seeing shifts in spending, with Amazon pausing and then resuming its Google Shopping ad spend. This pause saw a temporary drop in cost per click, CPC, rates for some brands, but prices quickly rebounded as other retailers filled the void. Amazon's return to the market, now with a larger share of spend than before its pause, could lead to increased competition and potentially higher CPCs, impacting smaller performance brands. The dynamics of online advertising spending, antitrust regulations, and the business models of emerging AI companies are all contributing to a period of significant change and uncertainty in the digital advertising landscape. These shifts in the ad tech world and the burgeoning AI space highlight a dynamic industry. Now, let's recap the biggest stories of the day. And that's a wrap on today's Essential Tech Updates. We saw Perplexity launch its AI browser Comet, aiming to redefine search. We explored Apple's potential AI partnerships with Mistral and Perplexity to boost Siri. We covered Google's ad tech maneuvers amidst antitrust issues and Perplexity's advertising leadership changes. Finally, we looked at the impact of Amazon's ad spend on Google Shopping. Don't miss out on any future breakthroughs. Hit that like button, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights for your daily dose of tech, and ring the notification bell to stay ahead of the curve. We'll see you in the next one.